Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to upgrade your Notion plan, a quick and easy guide. If you are currently using the free plan and are considering upgrading to unlock more features and capabilities in Notion, the process is straightforward. First, navigate to your settings by clicking on Settings and Members. It is located in the left sidebar. Once in Settings, find the Upgrade option on the left sidebar. Click on it to explore the available plans. Here, you will see a range of plans designed to enhance your Notion experience. These include the Plus plan for $10, the Business plan for $18, and the Enterprise plan for $25 per month. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and preferences. Once you have made your decision, simply tap on Upgrade. You will have the option to customize your plan further, such as adding on specific features or selecting a monthly or yearly payment option. When you are ready, just tap Upgrade Now and you are done. Enjoy the enhanced capabilities and features that come with your upgraded Notion plan. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.